Okay, so now we're going to talk about strip diagrams. And the best way to do that is to look at a strip diagram problem. Let's see if I can find the one I had for you guys. Copy. Here we go. I don't know if it'll let me do this. There we go. So let's look at this problem I wrote for you guys. Miss Harvey and Miss Buck buy 78 bottles of slime for science. They use 36 during science lab. They split the remaining slime between the two of them. Which strip diagram represents the slime each of them have? Okay, so let's look at our possible answers. One second, let me get our possible answers up. They came. Where'd they go? Paste. Nope. Okay, hold tight, friends. Paste. Okay. I don't know if Miss Buck's going to be able to do this the way she wants to. Paste. Nope, it's not going to let me do it. That's okay. Let's just draw the strip diagram on our own. Okay, whenever I draw a strip diagram, and if I forget how to draw a strip diagram, number one, there will be a strip diagram anchor chart for you to look at. There will also be the storyboard, which, as I told you, is the most important thing in the classroom. If you look at that, what you will see is that you will see a strip diagram is proportioned as such. And what's always on the top is always the total. Always, always the total. Now, depending on the operation you do, whether it's addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, you are going to have parts of the whole. Okay, let's look at this. Do I have a total? Yes, I do have a total. I have 78. Okay, if I look at my storyboard, I see that I do have a total, yes, which is going to point me to the direction of either division or subtraction. So what I need to find out is, do I need equal parts? Well, let's look. They used 36 during science lab. They split the remaining slime between the two of them. Usually if you split something, you're going to split it evenly. So I'm going to say, yes, we need equal parts. So if I look at my storyboard, that tells me I'm going to divide. Okay? So what I'm going to tell myself is, yes, and I know I am dividing. So I'm going to make myself a note that I am dividing. But what am I dividing? Well, they use 36. What does 36 mean? It doesn't mean that they kept those 36. It means they used them. So they used 36 because I would subtract this number from the total, which is 78. Okay, so is that all I need? Can I just put an S here? Well, let's make sure. I know they had 78 bottles. I know they used 36. They split the remaining slime between the two of them. Oh, I have two people. 2 people. And Miss Harvey and Miss Buck each get some slime. So this is how my strip diagram would look, and I should be able to find this amongst the answers I can possibly choose from.